If you are a beginner and looking for some makeup recommendations that you can use every day, let me show you some makeups, okay? Let me give you some recommendations. First, you need concealer. You don't need to apply foundation on everyday basis. Concealer is just enough. So for good coverage and smoothness, you can use these two concealer. One is from Maybelline, another one from Makeup Revolution. Both are drugstore, both are very affordable, and these two are really amazing, long lasting, and it covers very nicely your entire face. Okay, for setting your face, you can use this Wet n Wild Photo Focus banana powder. This is truly amazing. This sets your face and your face does not budges the whole day. Okay, so this is a very good powder, and this is also very affordable. Now for contouring and highlighting, this palette has saved my life. Look at this palette. I have literally finished it. I need a new palette, but I am using this palette for a very long time. See, look at this 4 shade. You can set your face with this powder. This can be your contour shade, or this can be your contour shade, or this can be your contour shade. Mostly we use this 2 shade for contour and this one for our bronzing, okay, because this is a little bit more warmer. You can use this 4 highlighters as highlighter as well as eyeshadow. I have used it as eyeshadow, okay, so I use them as both eyeshadow and highlighter. This one palette is an essential for your everyday makeup as well as for your glam look. This is just amazing. This one product is amazing. And for your blush, there's 2 products, okay? This tint, this water tint from Etude, I use every day, okay? Look how much I have used. See, this lasts for a very long time and it does not fade away, okay? And this is so easy to apply. Just apply it on top of your concealer and set it, and you are done for the whole day. Now on the other hand, this one does fades away over the time, but this is also very affordable, okay? This is a little bit more pricey than this one, but this one lasts very long time, and this fades away, but it's also very affordable, and they both kind of give same kind of tint. You can use this, like you can apply it on some layer, then set it with the powder, then it will last for a very long time. And this is a multi-purpose product. This both are a multi-purpose product. You can use it as blush, you can use it as a lip tint, you can use it as a eyeshadow. This is amazing, so I highly recommend this too. Now for lipstick, so I have 5 lipstick recommendation, okay, for everyday basis. So let me start with the most affordable one. This is from Lily. This is called Caramel. This is a very nice nude pink, okay, let me show you. Nice nude pink. And then I have 2 pinks from Swiss Beauty. One is called Peaches and Cream. This is such a pretty peach pink color. This is very sheer, but this is so pretty. This is very sheer. Look at the swatch. Now the another one is called Hot Nude. This is a bit more plum pink. See, this is so pretty. Now I have one from Mars. This is called Elegance, and this is orangey nude peachy color. This is so smooth and this is long lasting, okay? All these lipsticks are long lasting. Now the last one is a little bit high end, but this is also worth spending your money. This is from MAC, and this is the powder kiss formula. This is called Mull It Over. This is also a nice peach orangey nude color. This is so nice for every day. You just wear it and it looks like your natural lip color. 2 more lipstick for like brown lipstick fans. So there are 2 lipstick. One is from Lily. This is called Blossom. This is such a nice nude brown. Look at this. This is such a nice nude brown. And this is from Swiss Beauty. This is called Hazelnut. This is also a very nice brown. This is almost like a coffee brown. Now let me show you some lip liner recommendations. So for brown lip liners, I have 2 lip liner from Beauty Glaze. These 2 are smudge proof, long lasting, and so pretty. So the first one is called Expose. I use it every single day. So this is the swatch of Expose. This is called Latte. This is a bit more darker. Now if you want nude lip liner but in the pink spectrum, then these 2 from Beauty Glaze are for you. This one is called Rose Beige. and this one is called Rose Dust. If you are lip gloss fan like me, then I have two recommendations for you. These two from iMagic. Okay, one is a clear lip gloss, one is a very sheer peachy glittery lip gloss. One is 2161, another is 2162. These two are amazing. It hydrates your lips. It is a long lasting, but you have to be very careful applying it. If you apply too much of it, it gets like sticky. So apply a little bit and it's enough. Let me show you this one. See, it's looking so pretty, and it also immediately hydrated my lips. For eyeliner, okay, eyeliner or kajal, there are 4 essential kajal aka eyeliner in my opinion. It can vary from person to person, but on my opinion, this 4 shade should be in every girl's vanity. So these are the 4 shades of kajal. One is nude, another is brown, third one is white, and fourth one is black. You can use it as kajal on your outer line. You can use it as your eyeliner. You can use them to tightline your eyes. These are amazing. All 4 of them are from Beauty Glazed, and these are very affordable, long lasting, smudge proof and smooth application. Okay, this is so smooth to apply. Oh my god. Now last but not the least, mascara. For everyday use, I don't recommend a waterproof mascara. I prefer a water resistant mascara. So I use this one. This is from Technique Mega Lash Mascara. See, I have applied it right now. It is very nice and it is just enough for everyday. You do not need waterproof mascara for everyday usage, because if you use waterproof mascara everyday basis, you're gonna lose your lashes, because cleaning waterproof mascara is very difficult and it often harms our eyelashes. So I just don't prefer using waterproof mascara on everyday basis. But if I'm going on a occasion, like if I'm going to some ceremony or I'm going to attend some kind of function, then I only use waterproof mascara. And for waterproof mascara, I use this one. This is from Maybelline. This is called this is Lash Sensational, okay, waterproof mascara, and this is amazing, and this keeps your lashes up for whole day. It does loses some crumbs after a certain point, but it is amazing. Now last but not the least, some tools. One is this eyelash curler. To enhance your eyelash or to make it look curly, you use this one. Any eyelash curler works. So eyelash curler is an essential in the vanity. One fluffy brush, okay, because you are going to apply powder product on your face, you need to use a fluffy brush to even out your skin. Also dusting off all the excess powder, because excess powder actually makes your makeup look patchy and over the time actually breaks out your skin. So you should never use too much of powder. And finally, one puff, because sometimes you need to set your face with compact powder or loose powder, so a puff brush is needed for that. So that's it. These are the essentials I think you need on your everyday basis, and rest of your makeup you can do using your hand, like I do my makeup using my hands all the time. So that's it. I hope this helps all the makeup girlies who wants to buy some makeup products and start using makeup, but they are lost where to start. So this is it. This all products are very affordable. Most of them are drugstore product. You can find it anywhere, and these are enough for starting your makeup journey. And eventually when you enhance your skill, you can upgrade your makeup vanity as well. So that's it. I hope it helps. I'll see you in my next video.